Okay, is it going?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing the cinnamon challenge, and I have to have a tablespoon, and this is fucking huge. And here's my cinnamon, so I'm gonna measure this shit out. Wait, let me do it the other way. Am I supposed to like get it like overflowing?
No, because you'll choke and die.
Think I'll die? No more's coming out. My mom's gonna be pissed when she sees this. Okay, is this good? You think this is good or more?
Yeah, that's good.
Dude, is this gonna be bad?
Nah.
I gotta get my fucking water ready. Dude, my mom's gonna be pissed when she sees this. Oh, fuck. Is this a bad idea?
Nah.
You're my best friend. Is this a bad idea?
No. You better swallow all that shit.
Swallow it all?
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
Shit, you just knocked it up. You gotta drink, put the water in your mouth.
Holy fuck.
He told you.
That was stupid. Don't stop taping. Who the fuck thinks of shit like this to do?
You knocked the water all over.
I feel like I just gave birth out of my mouth.